student here, and I'm going to tell about entire. As we know, lots of institutions are running in our country, but entire is the foremost institution of English. It's running under the auspices of Sanjeev sir and Balna ma'am. So as we know, as all know, that Sanjeev sir passes for a great teacher of English. So definitely, there are two great teachers. The institution would be very great. It's really very great. I have passed a long time here, and Sanjeev sir endowed me with English. That's why I'm very happy. My parents are also very happy due to my English. And it's just because of Sanjeev sir. And now I want to tell the qualities of entire. I think there are lots of facilities which are present in entire, and these are very great and amazing. We can get lots of things here by the entire. If you'll go on net, you will search on Google, you will get entire on first page. It's really very amazing institute. We can get each and everything here. There are lots of facilities such as audio, video. When we record ourselves, and after that we can rectify ourselves. And also, sir also helps to rectify ourselves. What the he always tells us about our mistakes, about our body language. I have also searched about lots of institutions. I got okay, they are teaching English, but there should be more things. Pronunciation should be. I have seen lots of persons, but the pronunciation is main problem with them. But here, I think when I came here, I was not having any knowledge about Scrabble. But when I listen about Scrabble, definitely it's an amazing thing, and it's a very good thing. We can rectify our pronunciation due to level. So, and another as DDPI, these are very important. Okay, we can speak a good English, but personality should be our English should our English should suit our personality. Sir provide lots of classes for personality development. It's for from the audio, video, and sometimes sir teaches a good PD, and definitely all are getting lots of things here. And if we say here lots of facilities such as SMS facilities, we can get SMS, and in that we can get lots of quotations and vocab. We can strong our vocab and quotation. More thing about entire, I think the great and amazing thing. It's a we can say discipline of entire. I think sir and ma'am maintains each and every one and easily, and the discipline is the strength of entire. And I think as all we know that lots of things are okay, all are important for us, but just think discipline is much important, and the unity has great strength. So I think the student and the teacher are having a great unity. That's why the entire institute is very great, and due to these type of things, entire is progressing by leaps and bounds. And one more I want to say about entire, it's a online spoken classes. We can get these type of facility only in entire. Actually, I was just surprised when I listened that we can learn how to speak English on mobile. It was a very great thing about entire, and I think it's running all the celebrity, all these type, all lots of person are learning how to speak English on mobile. So it's an amazing thing. Some parents hesitate to come in entire because some are aged person, some have passed their long life. After that, they think they feel hesitate to come any institute. So I think it's amazing for them, and everyone should adapt. That's it.
Yeah, it's a you. Well, you entire. We told a lot about entire, and we listened a lot also about entire.